Hi guys and welcome to this new vlog. So today we have the Pulsar NS 400Z in the 2025 avatar. In fact, aesthetically it's the same bike, but Bajaj has gone in and done major changes to make it even faster, better as an experience to the customers. So in this video, let's find out what are the changes, how does this ride, and will the is the difference too much from the previous generation. So the first change is this engine. It is now tuned to make out better horsepower. I mean, in terms of the numbers, it now makes 3 PS more, and the red line has increased from, I think it was 9,700 to 10,700 right now. So yes, it is aggressive and it has been tuned to go even faster. Now to support the faster engine changes, Bajaj have gone in and added a new set of tires. These are now wider and these are Apollo H1s. I think these are Z rated, one of the most, you can say, the best tires available in this range. So 150 section at the rear and 110 section the front. But there is more. To increase the bite, now we get sintered brake pads along with pedal disc brake. It was also seen on the previous generation. And with that, we also get an addition of the sport shifter that works in sports mode. So it already has road, rain sport, and an off-road mode where it turns off the ABS and the traction control for the rear tire, the rear wheels. So now it gets a sport shifter. So this is, I think, one of the first bikes in India that is coming with a sensorless quick shifter. So it basically is tuned with Bosch, is what we heard from the Bajaj team, and it is somewhere like a software introduced on the bike and the ECU, so that makes the shifts more fast. And this is a bi-directional shifter, so yes, this should make a lot of difference, and we've been wanting this on the Bajaj, and at this price point I think now it's a perfect package. But it's all about how this bike rides. So without wasting much time, let's ride it and find out if it's really fast, how does the quick shifter work, and we will find out if it's worth your buy. On the 2025 NS 400Z, there is a sensorless quick shifter, and Bajaj calls it the sport shift. So let's see if it really works and how fast is it. Did ride this, and it was on open roads, city roads, sports mode, and other modes that we explored. But all we can tell you is this bike has really gone aggressive. So the 0 to 60 time is just about 2.7 seconds. I mean, that's crazy fast. So with the quick shifter, it is now better, and this is very smooth. I mean, initially I was very hesitant to try the sensorless quick shifter, but when we tried it, upshift and downshift both are butter smooth. So yes, no compromise in that terms. I initially thought that this might have some jerks, but it's not like that. It is tuned perfectly, and the sport riding mode is the one that I want to be all the time, because you have 8% power, right? 43 PS, get all of it, and just turn off the traction control. You will have the best time on this bike. And the, the elephant in the room is price. So with the price hike of about just 8,000 rupees, you are getting all of it, and the NS400Z comes in really eye-candy colors. So I think this is now made perfect, which Bajaj should have done before. But yes, they are hearing out the customers, and after it's done, it didn't take them much time to roll out this, and now we have the final perfect package for the NS400Z. Let us know in the comments what do you think, and while we are on the go, we will see you in the next video.